Oh, we might be live. I need to actually check if I need to check if I'm live on YouTube. Am I live on YouTube? Yes, I am live on YouTube. That's fine. So make sure they have. Okay. So, plan for today's stream. Let me move here. Okay, so plan for today's stream. Pretty simple. I just want to finish up the past globals, and then I want to get into generating. Well, technically it's code, 'cause we're not gonna have a compiler built into this. No, an assembler built into the compiler. We're gonna compile this. We're gonna have to compile this here into assembly, and then compile from that assembly to well, using an assembler to x86 assembly, which not to machine code, but I've lost the chat. I've already lost the chat. Already lost it. But why am I getting so many Discord messages? One sec, chat. Let me check that out. Okay. That's all fine. Let me go to my own server so I don't leak any DMs and then close Discord. Anyways, now that there'll be no more disturbance, but I can't speak English. Disruptions, that's the word I was looking for. Oh my god. Now, my setup's running a little bit weird, so there's a chance that my headset might disconnect. And if it does, I can reconnect it, but that will take like 5 seconds of effort. So, I mean, what's there to really do other than start working on it? Like, I'm trying to think here. I guess let's get started. So, what was I doing last time? Let's go to WSL and let's run it. So again, okay, so again here seems to be the type for the globals, which we can work with that. Let's have a look. How are we printing this type is another question. Oh, that's how we're printing the type. Mystery solved. We're gonna get the name next. Don't we have a function for that? What's the function called again? Bow. Don't we have a find function name? Yeah, get name a function from first letter address. So what does this do? Okay, so oh, what the fuck? But I thought it crashed already. Everything's a little choppy and a little bit laggy. Chat. It's not helping that I've already had what 4 shots of coffee today. There's probably gonna be way more though. Anyway, so to get the name from the first function, so we skip here, get to the end of the name. Okay, actually this should work. Yeah, that should work, that should work. What the fuck was that sound? Oh, that's the sound. Okay, I figured it out, chat. Okay, yeah, that function should work, so I need to refactor this code. This is so bad. That's just okay, it's fine. Let's have a look. So we get an alternative string. Now what we'll need to do is we need to push RSI here my god. Anyways, we need to push. I can't focus. Why can I not focus? I swear. I need to lock in. My focus is all screwed up today. I don't know why. Okay. So it inputs RSI we're looking for. So we probably want to get RSI from before this. We can do that. We can just push RSI and then we'll pop RSI here. Then what the fuck we're doing? We're gonna need a call get. We're gonna need to do that up here. Then actually, yeah, so this takes an RAX. So yeah, we'll need that anyways. We'll need to actually push RAX. I'm still locking in chat. Then we can do a call get function name from first letter address. I'm going to assume this inputs RAX. No, inputs to RSI. Okay, so we can just pop into RSI. Get that. Now the return, we can MOV RSI RAX call print null terminated string. Try that, chat. Try that. God damn it. But what's mad about? Well, what? Well, I would just remember that. If I can spell. What if I try that? Nope. Okay, well, now we gotta figure out what's wrong with this. So, we want to start with the first letter. So here. Where is that? Where is the first letter? That's my main question. I need to know. It's probably not in RSI. Maybe it is in RSI if I just check RSI. And then push RSI, and then where does it pop? Hey, pop RSI. Try that. There we go. We got the name. So we need to store the name in the table. How is the table structured again? Well, that seems pretty simple. We just store the name at 8, 16, 20. Oh, 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so we need to put it in offset 24. No, we need to put it in offset 16. My bad, chat. Oh my god. Just on the stream and I'm already dead tired. Who could have guessed? Let me just stretch. My god. Okay. Next thing. We'll set the starting value to just 0 because I cannot be fucked right now. So if I go to here when we are assigning the arrays, RAX is the starting thing, right? Yeah, start data. Okay, the var type. Are we storing that? We are. Okay. What else? What are we missing here? Now all we need is the name, and the name is an IX here. So we just do MOV RDI dot temp table PTR MOV in brackets RDI plus 16. Oh my god, what the hell? But what? But my VR just lagged me backwards. Like, what the hell? I'm making sure my stream is working fine. I did know this was a sketchy setup. I didn't know it was that sketchy, chat. My setup's just a little bit sketchy. Okay, yeah. Then we do IX here. That probably shouldn't. Yep. Okay, that's fine. Now we write everything to the table. And yeah, okay. So we do need to loop this for each and every single definition, because currently I think if I do int another test, bro, 0, I don't think it'll print both. Nope. Now I need to get to do that. So if we think logically here, we need to just, for each one, we just need to skip to this, skip the white space, and then we'll be here. We can do that, I think. So now we've got one, we need to get the rest working. So we got the table pointer. Pop, okay. That all makes sense. Oh my god, that was... Bro, my body is not happy with me today. I don't know why. Because it's like a mix of warm and I'm tired, but I need water. Ow. Why does swallowing water hurt? And water hurts so bad on top of that. But it's boiling. Anyways. So we get AL. What else is there really to do here? We're showing the name. So now we need a loop, right? We can do here is we'll XOR RCX and RCX, and then what we'll basically do is, yeah, so we had number globals here. We can check while, well, no, we'll do MOV RCXs to the number of globals. Dot number globals. Then we'll make sure to push RCX, and at the end of this loop, yeah, we'll pop RCX. We'll decrement RCX. Jump if not 0. We'll do the main loop up here. Where do we say RCX? Here. Dot main define loop. Then I'll make sure to indent all this to make it easier to read. Jump not 0 dot main define loop. Then we need to add RDI 16 between each of these. Something like that. We add RDI 16, we loop over, and we'll have a look here. Oh. Where are we writing this? Oh, bro, num. Okay, is this happy now? Okay, everything done. Well, that's better. So now, what we need to do is, we need to save RSI2. We can do that. Pop down here. Pop RSI. So currently, this will just define the same thing, right? Nope. Let's see what else we're missing. No, we need to push and pop DI. Try that. And we'll ignore this for now. Try that one. Fuck. Why is this segmentation faulting now? I don't get it. Is my stream working? Yeah, but I don't know what's going on anymore. I'm just tired, but I will stream because I like streaming. Let's have a look. See here. We push RCX, push RDI, and then we pop them. Oh, that's why. DI here, and this needs to be RCX, something like that. Okay, that's good. Now we just needed to actually move our DI to the next one, if and only if we do loop. My god. Okay, so how about this? Under here we'll have a dot move next define. So we can actually move next define, which will simply increment RDI compare RDI byte bow. You know, if I can see my keyboard, that'd be really useful right now. Compare RDI to semicolon. If it's not equal to semicolon below, we loop this. And if it is equal to a semicolon, we want to... What's that function we defined? We need to make a skip or white space function. So I'll literally just turn dot skip or white space and then move it up here. Remove the dot. Fuck, where's my keyboard? There it is. Remove the... Oh my god. Remove the dot. Okay, chat. Bro. Remove the dot, and then we'll just quickly add a return here. And we'll call... Bro. Skip white space. Something like that. Now, this does with RD. Oh, thanks for the follow. Bro, how am I to say that name? ATI John? Is that how I say it? You have to tell me. Anyways. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. So, okay, so we skip the white space, but this uses RDI, so we need to go down here to the move next define. This also uses RDI. This is very much in our favor. So now we can call skip white space. Now we know this doesn't change any registers. So now after this, we can, well, after this, if I could see my keyboard, that'd be really useful right now. One sec, I'm finding the key. There it is. Jump dot main define loop. So it'll be something like this. See if that works. Yeah, it works. So look, it defined both of them. Between these two, MOV RSI new line str call print not terminated string, and now we can see we have the starting data for these two. Okay. Now we do need to set up a system for getting these. but that's gonna be annoying because it can change depending on the type. So say if we have an int, then we have a string, bro, str, bro, test. If I can spell, anyways, str test, bro, here, whatever, that's fine. Now, if we do that, it does work, but we need to find a way to customize the setup behavior so that if it's a string, so that if it's int, we somehow pass the int, and if it's a string, we pass the string. My god. Anyways, my huge brain idea is that in the main up here, we can, because as we see, this is how we're kind of doing it currently. Don't mind that it's in incremental order. This is designed like this so we can have it not in incremental order, so I can just set this to like, that won't fit with 89. Yeah, that will fit. And it probably work fine, see? But that's why I tell you about that. But anyways, what we can do actually is we can have the known type parsers, and then this can be DQ and then the function name. So if we can just set it to 0 if there isn't one. So right now there isn't any for any of them, so we can set it to DQ0, DQ0. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, and then we'll do DB. We'll just do DQ, do it. XFF. Because there's not going to be a function located at 0xFF, I don't think, so that will help us. Well, I mean, now we simply got to define the behavior of. So we got a test 1, 2, 3. We got another test. We got a string test. Hello world. Now we just simply need to build a system to, depending on the ID, we need to go find that ID, find its offset, times it by 8. That is the offset for this. Then we go to that offset, check if it's 0. If it is 0, we skip it. If it isn't 0, we run it. Sounds simple? Probably is simple. I don't know, I'm not that good at programming. It's probably need a smaller function. Probably need a smaller file chat. It's just a little bit of a big file chat. Okay. Let me just stretch a little before we get into the needs of programming. So, what we need to do is to pass the data inside the type. Pass data inside type. This will input our AX, which is the type code, and then RSI, which will be the RSI will be RSI will be the start of define. Something like that. Now, this I started define. I mean, if I were to just go here, literally right here, that's what we need to do. So we just need to look for a space here, a space or an equals here, and then either a space. If there's a space here, we skip it. If there's not a space, we just go for it. Then we need to, at least for ints, we'll just pass it along, but otherwise it doesn't really matter. And now, so now we just need to find the function. We need to find the function to call. Okay. Oh my god, I need water. 1 sec. Water break. Who could have guessed? Oh my god. Chat, I've had so much caffeine, it's giving me the burps, and I don't know why. Too much coffee. Way too much coffee, chat. Too much coffee. Anyways. So we have the convert type code to name. We have our AX type code, and then where the fuck was I 5 seconds ago? I think I was right here. Yep. This will return. Now, this can have 2 returns. There can be a parser for type, in which case we just return, and with this we'll just set ix will just be the type inside var, and no, not type inside var, like data inside var. And if there is a parser for the file, we need to call that parser found inside file. Return only after we call what do we put it in? I don't know, put it in RSI for now. So I mean, currently, what does it matter to me? No, okay, that's fine. So now we need to get RSI set before we run this or this. So first of all, we have to do the scan scan known types loop. So we need to get the offset. So we need up here, we'll set MOV RAX known, be known type codes. So we'll just compare RSI byte AL. If it's not equal to AL, we the scan types loop, we make sure to -1, so we can increment RSI here. Now, after we do all this work, I believe, let's have a look. After we do all that, we'll have the type offset stored in here if we just subtract RSI with the RSI with one sec, known type codes. Now we have the offset. Now we need to times that by 8. It should be able to do that as shift right or to left. It's either right or left. You know, we'll figure it out the hard way. RSI 2. Then okay, so we have RSI, AL, and then if not, okay, then we we times by 4. So doubling it twice. Then we have the offset found for the other one. So now we can add RSI. Known function, known type parsers, compare RSI to 0. I'll say D word 0. No, that won't work. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to do something like XOR, XOR. There we go. Then if they're both 0, we call no parser for type, and if otherwise we jump to parser found inside file, and then we simply need to MOV RSI RSI. That sounds crazy without context. RSI, the data inside of RSI, like the address. There we go. So now, theoretically, it might work. I don't fucking know. And yeah, okay. So push RSI. What else do we use? I think that's it. I think all we use is RSI chat. Okay, we'll just make sure to pop RSI then. Bro, pop RSI. There we go. Now how much I call this? It should, under all circumstances, just do nothing because there's nothing there. So, main define loop. MOV. What do I do here? Yeah, after we return RDI, we need to basically we'll push RDI again, and then we'll pop. But we'll pop RDI again, then we move it. RSI RDI. We'll call dash pass data inside type. Then up here, at the type. But where are we getting the type from? Oh my god. Type code to name. Okay, so we get the type code up here. And we get the data down here. Can we just... if I just do this, then yeah, it's for one. Okay, that's fine. And then if I go up here, we got RDX. Get function type from first letter address. Okay, yeah, here's perfect. Then we can do call pass data inside type MOV. Now we don't even need to do an MOV. It should work hopefully fine. God damn it. What do you mean segmentation fault? Okay, but now we've got to figure out why it's segmentation fault. So let's go through the code step by step. Yeah, okay. Well. For one, if I just... Bro, I can't see my keyboard. If I just do that, does it work? Okay, well that's signs of a further issue. Non-type codes. But what is it? Okay, well that should be fine. So wait, if I just put a jump $sign here, what's the matter about? Nothing, okay. So... what if I shift left? No? I should have a look, is it, bro, JMP $sign? Is it this here? What? Then what is it? Is it... we're calling here? This is, bro, this is how we truly debug. Yeah, okay, it's here. What am I meant to add? So wait. Maybe I just have to push RSI and then push IX for now. Bro, IX on top of it, so we need to pop, bro, pop P OP IX, so we need to pop IX here. I swear I'm going to lose it soon at this keyboard, maybe because I can't see it. Okay. So it turns out we do need IX. The keyboard. It's like, chat, I gotta find my keyboard real quick. Okay, we got this here. Bro, there we go, this here. Pop IX, pop IX. Okay. Bro, why am I cannot lock in. Let me just, one sec, chat. I actually just need to sit properly. Okay, time to lock in, chat. Time to, bro. Ah, my god, bro, my, bro, my, I'm just, one sec. There we go. Now, we need to figure out what the issue with this file is, okay? And obviously it's the fact that we kind of need IX after calling this. So idea, now we'll just dump IX. And we can grab that again later. So now this should work fine. Yep. Now, I actually need to set this to a function. So what we'll do is we'll create a function called no, actually just call this the int parser, okay? So, first things first, we need to get ourselves up to here for ROM down here. That's pretty simple, relatively speaking. Oh my god, what the hell? Anyways, yeah, so that's pretty simple, relatively speaking. Just let me go up here. And what I need to do here too is I need to move this to DI. And we actually need to pop RSI beforehand. And we need to call our DI, and we'll make sure to push our DI in this case. Push our DI, and then after we call, we pop our DI, and we also need to. That's fine. Something like that. So now. For now, I'll just try to make this a jump $sign. And if I here set the first one to a to int parser, what happens? Okay, that's a good sign, it worked. So now I'll add a debug line that just goes passing int debug str db debug passing int so a and 0. Oh my god. 1 sec, chat. Okay, back to streaming. Next step is, first things first, we need to make sure we push RSI. We cannot change RSI at all. And we'll make sure we return. Then we'll make sure to... Oh my god, anyways, debug passing int call, put no terminator strings. Try that. So debug passing int, okay. Now we need to do is well, first of all, we need to get our SI to the top of the file. So we need to go through the file name. Okay, so we can do dot yeah, so we need to do dot get to name. We need to get to the name to get past it. So we can do increment RSI. Well, RSI. Oh my god. Compare RSI by blank jne dot get to name. Then we'll make sure to set this to RSI -1. Meaning that it's actually up here already. Then we'll do the same, but we need to check for equal, so we need to do a dot get past dot get past name. We'll increment RSI. We'll compare RSI -1 byte. What should the byte be equal to, chat? Oh, hi. In the better to use test as the compare is isn't it better to use test instead of compare if comparing is for equality anyways? Sure, but I also want to be able to read my own code base. It is true. That's a good point, chat. But I also... How do I end up in the main screen? I also need to read my own functions. You know what I mean, chat? You are right, though. You are pretty right. Oh my god. It's easier to use compares, although it is slower. That's my opinion. And I'm be honest, if I was going for speed, I would not have made it in assembly. I'm not that good of a programmer, chat. When you compare, if RSI -1 is either a blank byte or a equal to byte, because those are the two conditions. It can be, if that makes any sense, chat. I need to make sure I have to check the chat, because I don't know how long ago that was sent. How long ago was that sent? Were you waiting forever? But what time? Bro. Yeah, what time? What? You know, I'm not even gonna bother, because I know it's probably not even gonna tell me. Because of course, why would it tell me? Oh my god, everything's lagging. Why the hell? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I just need to make sure. So what we'll do is we need a dot found function define. Actually, yeah, we just need to go until we find the equal sign. Yeah, now we don't actually need this anymore. We can just go till we find the equal sign. Dot get past name, and then we can call skip white space to make sure after the equals, if there's a space like here, we skip that and we go to the 0. Am I making any sense, chat? Chat, am I making any sense? I don't know. I'm be honest, I think I'm pretty bad at programming, chat. I don't know why I decided to do this. I was like, one day I was like, it'll be fun to program an assembly again. Yes. Taking a break from making an operating system too complex now. It's about a compiler, guys. How useful of me. Okay, so now the next step would be, we are over this here. We need to see how many digits there are. So by default it's 1, and then we just go until we find this semicolon or space or anything that's not a number. So up here, no, that's probably bad design. I'll just compare it manually, whatever. So we'll just check if it is a number by yeah. So we need to. Don't worry about the 121 errors my IDE is picking up. They're fake errors, trust me. Get size of int. Does chat actually want some context for a lot of the almost 1,000-line file that I'm currently working on? Because I mean, I'll explain what a lot of it does if you want me to. Well, okay, I need a this will this inputs RSI, but inputs RSI, which will be the equivalent of, if I can't see my keyboard, of a char pointer. The equivalent of a char pointer, and this will go to the start of. No, this will go to the this will go to 1, bro, off. Bro, just the int, okay, bro. The N, bro, N, no, NT, okay, the int. I'm gonna have to make a power function, aren't I? Wait, chat. If I'm right, I'm gonna have to make a power function, right? Because if we think in a calculator, say we have the number, bro, I need paint up for this. Oh my god, I forget paint does that every single time. Anyway, so say say we have the number 1, 2, and 3. Obviously, each one is gonna correspond to ASCII. But I'm trying to memorize it. I think this will be 0x31, 0x32, and 0x33. Maybe. I don't know. Don't trust me on that one. But anyways. So we get these numbers. But say we have the numbers 1, 2, and 3 separately. Okay? Like this in an array. To combine them, I'm thinking... So obviously, 1... This actually needs to be times by 100. So 1 times 100. Then there needs to be 2. That needs to be times by 10. And then 3 is just times by 1. So to me, this looks like the multiplier gets times by 10 each time. And then obviously if you add these all together, so plus and plus and plus, we get 123, which is the number we're aiming for. So my idea is we're not going to use a power function because I'm going to have to make that, and that sounds like more effort than it's worth. Instead, when we pass the integer, I will go backwards. So I'll make the highest one times already. So like 1, so it'll be 10. But what? It'll be 1 times 100. No, 100. But chat. One sec, chat. I'm working this out in my head. 1 times 10 times 10. Yeah, okay. I have to do a loop. So I'll be like, so we've got 1 here, all times it by 10, and all times it by 10 again. Because there's 3 digits, so we just gotta make sure to ignore the first one. But for now, we need to get the number of digits, which is got by... we just need a... what? We need an increment. So for 1, we'll XOR RCX, and RCX, that's a good one for counting. I don't know if chat is still here, but I'll try to explain my actions the best. I need to make sure my torch is still working. I have anxiety from yesterday and the 4 cups of coffee. Look, halfway through the stream, stopped working properly, and then someone pointed out halfway through last stream, and I had a heart attack and died. Anyways. So, to get the size of the integer, we need to compare this to... Oh. Byte. Nope. There. And we... So we'll just do small dots. Get size loop. Something like that. Does that make any sense, chat? So now I can increment RCX. Then if it's not equal to a comma, we can get the size loop. Oh my god. Well, I don't know what's wrong with my body. I blame being Australian. I put the blame on me being Australian, chat. Anyways. We got RSI. We add this. Now that should get the number of digits pretty effectively, and we'll make sure we'll just output RCX, whatever. Who cares about C calling conventions when you make the whole fucking thing in assembly, anyways? So we output it into RCX, and down here, whole dot get size of int. Then we need to get the max stream of all time. Yeah. I don't know. I am currently... I don't know if you can tell, I'm currently making the int parser. Who could have guessed? And... man, I'm be honest, I didn't sleep much last night, so I'm running on pure caffeine alone, chat. Let me just... Okay, let's have a look. Well, I was just doing, because I forgot what I was just doing. Average me moment. Okay. Am I pushing? You know, whatever, I don't care. So get the size of the int, and then we're gonna have to do a loop. We have to loop through. Shall look some more. We'll be here, however. Okay, that's fine. Sammy Z. So okay, we get the size of the int, and then we need to make a function that will this will need to okay, wait. So we need to multiply 10 for each time it's called. So we'll just do m mul 10 about 4 num times, and this will inputs rcx about number times. So then what we can do here is we can decrement rcx. Then while we decrement rcx, I'm just gonna use the multiply function because I cannot be fucked. So we need the mov ix actually. So we'll do the dot mul 10 loop. It will start with a decrement, and if it is set to 0, we'll dot mul 10 exit. I don't have I shared what will happen when my YouTube reaches 100 subscribers public yet? But oh my god, what the hell? My VR headset just lagged out. Anyways, have I shared that yet? I do want to know. I don't want to just repeat myself over and over because I'm good at forgetting. But I do also kind of need to know if I did, because I need to announce it at some point, because I don't know if you saw this, but in chat, we reached 69 subscribers earlier today. Achievement of my life, I know. We peaked here. It's over. We're only going downhill from here, chat. Oh my god, my lag. Nice, I know. Does the does ATI does ATI John want to know what happened with my Twitch follows? Because it's a really nice yeah. Does ATI John want to know what happened with my Twitch follows? Because I'm still annoyed at Twitch about this, by the way. To this day, they've annoyed me, and I can't do anything because no one knows who I am. That's pretty funny. What was I doing? Oh, we need to just... Does anyone in chat know how many times I would need to shift? Does anyone know how many times I need to... Is it shift left or shift right to multiply? I need to know. Oh my... What the fuck's going on? My VR head is lagging out. Anyways. Shift to left is what... Okay. That's what I need to know. Thank you. Anyways, as I mentioned... Yeah, okay. I just don't remember off by memory anymore. So, also, as I was saying before, does chat want to know about this story? That I'm still annoyed... Why I'm still annoyed about Twitch. Okay, so wait, we divided by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10... It'd be 5, wouldn't it? I don't know. Look, for everything I am okay at, math, multiplication especially, was not one of them. Okay, I'll make sure, yeah, so... MOVIX. Hey. Anyways. Wait, why am I asking chat what they want to hear about it? I could just say it. It's my stream. Anyways. So, essentially, what happened was, one day I was streaming normally and I got follow botted. So I reported it to Twitch, okay? They didn't do shit. I told them ages ago. Literal ages ago. They didn't do shit. I'm still mad at them. I don't know how to fix it. So for now, my Twitch is weirdly high in follows, and I still can't. Still can't do anything about it. My VR is lagging out. Maybe I shouldn't have streamed while in VR using Airlink, but my fucking VR was dead, and this was the only way to get it to work. IX. IX will be, out, bro. That's not out. One sec, chat. Where's my fucking hands on my keyboard? Nope. There it is. Out. There we go. So, theoretically, this should work. Maybe. I don't know. Do we want to... We probably want to keep RCX the same, right? Push RCX. So make sure to pop RCX down here. Otherwise, we'll get an error. Pop RCX. Okay. So, what's the next step? So we get the size of the int, and then for each size of the int, yeah. So for the size of the int, we need to call dot mul 10 for times. Then I want to what is convert? I have a function for converting int to strings. What is that input again? Yep. Inputs are AX, MOV, AX, CX, call, convert into string, call, I think this outputs into RX, maybe? Nope, it does not pop. How about that? Fuck. What's wrong? Fuck. Okay, let's figure this out. It outputs into RX, that's right. SIRX. Come on. It's not that hard. What? Bro, what's it mad about? Wait. I think you can just compute the number from 0 digits as you receive them. So the first result is, and then you multiply with the rest of the result and then add the digit. No need to get the number of digits even. Well, I actually do need the number of digits though, because I am building a parser for ints. So I need I need to get the number of digits anyways, because I need to know how many digits to go through. And also it is useful to keep track of that at times. But that is some good advice. Probably. But my main question is, what the fuck have I done wrong here? Wait, so... Is it just... I don't think that we can get a seg fault from this, can you? Or can you? I don't know. How do you get a seg fault from this? Unless you... No? Oh, well, maybe that's why. Mul 10 loop. Just go to the loop. Nope. What the fuck's wrong? Chat, I need to know what's wrong. Can someone diagnose my code for me? I don't know. This inputs, yeah, outputs. Are we sure this outputs RX? It pushes RX to the stack here. What? What's wrong with my code? Bro, we have a reverse int parser, chat. This is so bad, but it works. I'm not gonna complain. I know it works. I've used it before. Yeah, I know a debugger might help, but who needs a debugger when you run the code in your head? Why is there an underflow error? I mean, I know why there's an underflow error. But, I mean, in what case we're gonna need that? Okay, so IX, push IX, pop IX, get number of digits. So this input's IX, right, bro? Get number of digits. Bro, why are none of these functions labeled? Yeah, that should work fine. And then... Yeah, my main question is where the fuck is this overflowing? Maybe this is why, chat. Look at this. If I just set this to like 99, do you think it'll work, chat? God damn it. I don't know what's wrong. You need to add more digits. That's what we need to add. I think that's more. One sec. That's a lot of memory. There we go. That's fine. Oh my god. I'm actually lagging out. Sorry guys, I got this. What? Okay. Well, obviously something's broken. Another question is this? Well, for one, is that corrupted? I need to know. For two, is what's causing the Sega fault actually what happens after this? So are we like breaking something after this? No, okay, we're breaking something in this. Or are we? Yeah, we are. Bro, okay, so we can't do that anymore apparently. So it takes too much effort to figure out what the fuck's wrong. So I guess we're just gonna have to guess, right? I mean, we'll know if it works right in 5 minutes. So... Chat, can you help me improve my assembly skills? I'm not that good at assembly because I kind of just taught myself one day, kind of just by messing around with 16-bit, then 32-bit, and now 64-bit assembly. Can you help me? Ah, fuck. My VR's lagging out and I'm in VR still. Alright, the stack need to be aligned by 16-bit when calling functions. Maybe that's an issue. I mean, we don't really use this stack as much as we probably should, and be real. If I'm honest, the only time we really use the stack is for storing functions by just using push and pop. We don't really actually use the stack pointer. Although the compiled code will... wait, real question. Okay, I think it's this that's seg faulting maybe then. Or is this? It's not any of the... Wait, try that. Oh, it's this one? We're figuring it out, chat. No. What? Okay, so it's this then. Oh. I know it does. Chat. Chat, turns out I might just be a dumbass. that explains why the code wasn't working, chat. See, this is what I like to call, I call it tunnel vision, because I'm tunneling in on this area for the issue when it's actually just right up here. Now does it work? Okay, that's good. Try that. Okay, that's good. Now, but my VR's lagging out. I feel so sick. MOVRAX call convert into string. MOVRSI call parent not terminated string 2. What? Chat. Oh, there's already outputs IX. Okay, that's fine. Try that. 32. What? Chat, can you help me here? The fuck was that sound? Anyways. Chat, we gotta figure this out together, because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's have a look here. What do you mean 32? Okay. But obviously, push and pop modifies the stack point. Chat. Actually, should I explain how much assembly I know? Because I know enough assembly because I built a kernel before, chat. But I'm not the best at assembly when it comes to complex things, and this is getting complex quickly, and I wanted to do this to get better at assembly. Okay, so convert into string, and then this input RAX, this outputs RAX. Why would RAX be 32? Maybe this is wrong. Is this wrong, chat? Right. So, if I was to do this the slow way, which chat might actually just kill me for, but RBX, and push RDX, pop RDX, pop RBX, but RBX. Chat, don't kill me for this one. Mol RBX. Then chat. Now, yeah, we should be done here. Here's the true question: does it work now? It does. Now, we do need to decrement. Yeah, we need to decrement the input into this by 1. So, what do you input? Yeah, we decrement CX. There we go. So now if I type in, I don't know, 100. Yeah, it worked. Okay, that's good. Now, I do need to figure out what the fuck we're doing. Oh, yeah, chat. I'm gonna let it know. I'm programming. You know what I found? On my Twitch discovery board, from where people were finding my Twitch from, that really confused me. Chess.com. Chess.com. How the holy fuck are you finding my Twitch from chess.com? I'm not even gonna question it at this point. But somehow MSN was also on that. I'm just gonna stop questioning it. Just stop questioning it. Okay. Now, this is the amount we need to multiply by. So, now we need to do the actual parsing step. So I should say the same between all these. So now I need to do the dot main parse loop. So the main parse loop. Well, that's CSP. That's only a 64-bit register. If we check here, we are currently here, I believe. So now, I just need to go the number of letters we detected, which should be easy-ish. I just need to go the number of letters we detected. So we'll do where do we get the number of letters? Get size event. Oh, it's right here. Push RCX. Do all this. Don't worry about this time. Pop. Wait, no, we don't even need to push RCX. This thing pushes and pops RCX for us, and then we just need to increment RCX. What the fuck else do we do? Then, for the main parse loop, we check. We decrement RCX, we jump if not 0 dot the main pass loop. And then since we have the ability to start backwards this time, we can do compare RSI plus RCX. We don't even need to compare. We grab this, we put it MOV. We'll put it in DL. Data inside of this pointer. Bro. This one. There we go. Then we'll subtract DL space, not space, 0. Converting the single character to from ASCII to text. Then for the number of, so yeah, fuck, my mind is not working. Anyways, okay. So now what we'll do here is we need to times this by the number we have inside of our AX, so we can do push our AX, push RBX, push, no, pop RBX, pop RBX, not RBX, RAX. Bro, I can't fucking type. Something's wrong with me. Maybe because I can't see my keyboard. That might be a good thing to find, chat. Oh my god. So we have RX, we have RBX. We probably need to push RDX because I know this does touch it. Here we go. Now. Well, so we need a MOV BX. We'll set that to DL. Then we need to, before we do this, we'll actually, we might actually just do a push and pop RDX around the main loop. It'll be more efficient for us. Push RDX. Pop RDX. There we go. Then here, we can actually up here we can do XOR RDX, RDX. So we do an XOR to clear it. We modify the lower bits, which only works because it's a little Indian, and then think here for a second. So we've added to the lower bits. So we have the first number in the lower bits. Then we need a MOV. Bro, I can't fucking type. The hell. Anyways. M-O and a V. I'm going to lose my mind. What if I try, that one, it's, bro, what? I just need to move MOV, RBX, RDX, multiply RBX. We need to shift right our AX5 after we do this. Like that. Then we need to, the result from this needs to be added to the final result, which, I don't know, where should we put that? I think R8 will be free, I don't know. R8. But I forget that there's even more registers in, because I'm so used to 32-bit mode that I'm just so used to like EAX, EBX, ECX, EDX, ESI, EDI, ESP, EBP, the segment. I'm so used to all that I forget there's any other registers. My bad, chat, my bad. Anyways, so we have R8. Now, if I just add R8, RAX, I think that should work. Maybe, hopefully. Well, now I'm gonna get the number from that. So it's an R8. So before we exit, I'll make sure the MOV RX R8. So now if I check, now let me check the MOV RX R8 call convert into string. MOV RX RSI, no, wrong way around, RSI to RX. We call parental terminated string, and then maybe I said, and then maybe fuck. You know, I'm starting to think R8 has a different function. XOR R8, R8. Add R8, RAX. RAX, RAX. This outputs to RAX here, right? Yeah, okay. What the fuck? We're so close. We're so close to glory. You know, what if I just try storing the output in a randomized register that doesn't matter? What's a free register? What's a free register? We're not using RDI. We'll just dump it in RDI. RDI, bro, RDI. Maybe this time might work, chat. So now all I gotta do is down here. Try that. Hold up. Here's an idea. Why are we calling RDX again? Oh yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Like that, try that. Okay. So, we're getting somewhere. Okay? We need to figure out why now. So, first things first, I can see there's too many digits. We can just not increment that there. Never mind, we need to increment that there. But we need to increment... Bro, what the... We need to increment that there. But now, I don't know what to do. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's just try different numbers. So if I put like 10 in, what happens? Tyler that actually knows how to code. It's a big surprise on Twitch. Most people on Twitch have less than average IQs. If I just put 1 in, okay, how can it mess up 1? Okay, clearly I'm doing something wrong here. Clearly. What should... Wait, RAX for each rate. So after this, RX will be equal to 2. Oh my! I just lagged out and like It's not helping with me feeling slightly sick already. My god, lagging out sucks in VR. You feel so sick. Anyways, as I was saying, we need to figure out exactly what I'm meant to be doing. I've been figuring out the whole time. You know, I've been figuring that out since the day I was born. I think everyone has. Okay, if we can't pass number 1, I think it's over for us, chat. Come on, it can't be that hard. So... we are slightly over-engineering this, maybe. Okay, so... not queso, chat, but so... I need to figure out what the fuck I'm doing here. It's like the 1 is done twice. I don't know why. Oh my, what the fuck's going on? My VR's like full lagging out sometimes. Anyways. 1, 1. But why are they both 1, 1? Okay, clearly something's getting corrupted somewhere, but I need to figure out where. In the main parser loop. What is getting corrupted and where? That's our main goal. What the fuck's breaking? Well, for one, why don't we try printing out whatever number we got from this? We need a... but we need to push RX, so we need a... push RSI, pop RSI, pop RX, MOV RAX. We'll keep RX. Oh my god, my VR's lagging out. Convert int to string MOV RSI RX whole parental terminated string, maybe. 1 segmentation fault. What? What? Something's broken here, chat. If I do that, but this time, what if I do plot twist? What if I remove this? Goes in both chats. Your brain's broken. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, idea. Maybe. There's a small chance, but maybe. MOV, RAX, RDI, but maybe instead of using RDI, what other registers do we have to use? Fuck. I think I'm running out of registers here. RX is good, yeah, RDI is gonna have to, convert into string. MOV, RX, no, RSI, RX, whole parental terminated string. 1, 1, 1. But what the fuck is... Wait. Idea? Oh my god. Divide this by 10, so we just need to subtract 2 instead of subtracting 1 from this. Sub RCX 2. Add RCX 2. I'm worried. My fans are heating up. Am I stuck in an infinite loop? What the fuck? Chat, what did I do? Oh shit, that probably rolled over, didn't it? Because it's only equal to 1, isn't it? So what? It detected Hey chat, what's the 64-bit integer limit minus 1? Because that's how many we're trying to add. So no wonder it failed. So that means, yeah, before it was right. Unless there's just no add and subtract. What about that? Definitely an add and subtract. No, that's... Oh my god. Okay. Increment. We need a decrement. Where the fuck's the bro, the decrement. My days. Okay, why the fuck is it 1 and 1? I'm gonna go okay, why is it being... Change it to 32-bit to perhaps around a reasonable time instead of going on for chat. Well, I fixed half of it, but what the fuck? So, okay, so it seems to have added an extra 1. Where is it getting the... I don't fucking know where it's getting the 1 from. That's not even the right file. I took a few seconds to realize I wasn't even in the right file, chat. Am I cooked? Is it over for me? I didn't even realize I was in the wrong file. Am I cooked for saying, am I cooked? Is it over for me? Yes, we got our DX set up there. I don't see anything wrong with that. I don't see a good opportunity for our AX getting corrupted, do you? What if if I remove this, it doesn't work, right? Just set it to 0. What if, I don't know, I specifically set to 1. Okay. Hey. Hold up. Chat. What? Huh? What? Chat, I'm confused. Chat, I'm confused. What? How did that work? Okay, another question. If I set it to 2, does everything crash and die? Huh. Okay. So, decrement. Get the size of int to 1. So, yeah. Then if I... What if I decrement RCX again? The fuck? Bro, the fuck? Bro, the fuck is on my screen? I'll be honest, I think my brain is dying, chat. I'm working on it. I don't know why I opened up. There's no information on there for me to see. You saw everything I could see. Yeah, that's a good question. It looks, to me, it looks like assembly that is in 64-bit mode, otherwise known as the long mode. It looks like it's targeted towards a Linux, and it seems like it's compiling an application. Almost like I built it or something. I don't know. But I'm not a programmer. Like, you know, I don't... To be fair, I don't know how many programmers can read assembly either, and I can only barely read assembly. Sorry, we'll figure it out together, right, chat? Unless you abandoned me. If you abandoned me, I swear. Okay, so... What the holy fuck? Right, here's a better solution. We decrement R6 again. We get page faulted. That makes sense. I think it rolled over. But I need to know what the fuck is inside of RCX. Galaxy, an idea, guys. Push. We need to save RSI. No, yeah, oh my god. No, we stay together, chat. Oh my, why the fuck is everything lagging out again? second I said that, all my shit, like, yeah, who needs sleepy time? Like, come on, it is 1 AM for me, and I'm still not asleep, chat, come on. Maybe that explains why I'm so bad at programming right now. Anyways. AX, and, we'll just push every register, because I think, this function is broken, and not bothered fixing it. Push RX, RBX, RDX, RDI. Yeah, that's all we use. RDI, RDX, pop, CX, pop, RBX, and we just need, what if I told, wait, I just imagine, bro, I know we're in the same time zone. Anyways, what do you mean segmentation fault? Huh. What does it mean segmentation fault, chat? We haven't that before? Like, I just remove all this shit up here. Nope. Yeah, you just joined in. That's fair. Bro, bro, I can't see my keyboard, chat. Anyways, MOV. Damn. Bro. I'm be honest, I don't know why anyone watches these streams. I think they're pretty... I think the streams are pretty bad. I don't know why anyone's here. Anyways, what was I doing? Oh, yeah, can't convert into string. And maybe you could actually learn something from the stream. I don't know if I'm the right person to learn from. I'll be real. But maybe you could learn something if you watch the code for long enough. It's like that one Matrix guy who's like, if you watch the code for long enough, you start to put it together in your head. What the fuck does this say now? Let's say 110. Oh, no, it reads 1. Why the fuck does it read 1? Okay, 0. Okay, I need to check if... We need to do an early exit thing. Dot main pass loop exit je dot main pass loop exit. Okay, try that. Can't even read the text. Is it too small for you, chat? Ooh. Okay, chat, look at this. Now, the graphics are too skilled. Don't worry about my graphics, chat. Oh, my VR's still lagging out. I have enough hardware to handle this. I think it's limited because I'm currently using Airlink, although it's plugged into a cable, mainly because my VR headset died and I forgot to charge it. My bad, chat. Anyways. So, now, you may wonder why this is important here, but if we go to this file over here, now I'm going to type in a number that isn't just 10, so I want to type in, there we go. We'll see if we pick up that number. We do not pick up that number. What the fuck? But what is this number? 7. You know what that number is? Just figured it out, chat. I just figured it out. -1. Try putting minus. Bro. Try putting -1 there. Well, that's why I'm plussing to begin with, but I think just adding a -1 might fix it. Never mind. It doesn't look. I can't actually tell if it's in reverse or not. It'd be very easy to accidentally reverse it to it. Bro, that's just straight up. It's okay. We need to look for 409674. Well, we're trying to 7. There's no 4. There's a 9, 6, but that's in the correct order. And there's a 2. Chat, I don't think it works, chat. It's not in reverse, chat. I can tell you that much. The fuck. This is why you check if it's right. Imagine if it wasn't right, everything would have broken. Okay, well, let's look at a smaller number to find the issue. Let's put just 8. Let's put 8. See what happens. So, what? So we get the size of input. And we get the size of the int. How do we get the size of the int again? We go until we find that. So if it's 1, that's 0, and then we decrement it. Huh? How the fuck is this working? I don't know. But all I do know is it's not working because RCX is 0. Actually, if I just put 80. Okay, 80. Does that work? Okay. Idea. 08. I don't think that's gonna work, chat. Who could have guessed? But why the fuck does it not work? Is another totally chat. Can someone tell me what I did wrong? Idea. Revolutionary idea, chat, +1. What I don't understand is... Wait, what I don't understand is I don't get normal programming, but I do get how you built a... I mean, one of those is more working with binary, and another one is more working with actual code that someone else made. And this also is not normal programming. And if we're being honest, unless you're building an operating system, you never really need to touch assembly. Even in an operating system case, 90% of the time you use either C or C++ or now Rust, but I hate Rust. No, I'm not biased. What do you mean I'm biased? What do you mean I'm biased? I don't know, I'm being dumb. You may need to use assembly, but almost never... Yeah, you may need to write assembly, but almost never need to write it unless you're an FFmpeg. Wait, also, where did this... Do you mean the voice? I deleted the voice like 4 days ago because it kept on crashing on my streams because I kept on timing out the Twitch API, and plus I added multi-streaming and it wasn't supported for multi-streaming. Oh my god, that was hard to do in one breath. I do not have the lung capacity for this. I knew I was gonna cough, I just didn't know when. Oh my days. Or do you mean the sound alerts? Because I also disabled that because it doesn't work on YouTube. Okay, so chat. Not queso, but chat. We need to figure out something. What the fuck is wrong here? So we got... Can someone in chat... Is this right to divide by 10? Theoretically, is this right to divide by 10? Or just... No, I'm just... Here's a true later test, chat. Right, and why? Because this time I switched you to low. Oh, that actually makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I got a better idea, chat. Can you see what I'm gonna do, chat? BX. We need a shift right divided by... Yeah, I got this. That, yeah, I literally just said that makes a lot of sense. I forgot that. Yeah, I forgot that doesn't work by our rules. It works by fucking computer rules, which makes a lot more sense on why it wasn't working. Oh my god, what the fuck's wrong with my VR? Alright guys, next stream. In this video, I rebuilt the phone with my VR headset. I'm not doing that. I'm pretty sure this thing uses ARM and I hate ARM assembly. That's the only reasoning. That's even funnier. RBX 10 divide RBX. I can't believe no one in chat told me. I can't believe no one in chat told me that, like. I can't believe no one in chat told me. Oh my god. Anyways, there's good chances might just get a divide by 0 error. Never mind. Now it's chat. How did I manage to break it even more? What? Okay, can we see what's broken now? Also, why are we keeping these two? I mean, we don't even use it in the rest of the function. Oh, what? I guess I'm just so used to keeping everything the same. The thingy isn't doing... Yeah, we're figuring it out, chat. We're figuring it out. Why? But anyways. What? Okay, so... Chat, anyone can figure it out? Can anyone figure it out? I can't. Unless... No, I think this should do... I think divide... Out to 32-bit mode. Doesn't it do... AX divided by RBX, and then it stores... It puts the AX answer, and then in DX it puts the remainder, something like that, right? Is that right? I think that's what that instruction does. And yeah, so AX divided by 10. Shouldn't that work? Why does that not work? Chat, I need your chat, I need your help again, chat. I don't know what I'm doing, chat. No, we'll figure it out, I wish someone else can help me, kindly. Go consult the 4,000-page x86 assembly reference. Yeah, that's why I don't read before doing projects. Who needs research when you can just look it up in the moment? We got this, chat. We got this. It's 1:30 in the morning. We got this. Fucking chair is the squeakiest thing ever. Let's have a look, see. I don't get why. Unless... Idea. For one, random idea. What if I just don't do that? What happens then? Hold up. Huh? Chat. What if I decrement RCX here, but then don't decrement it here? Oh, chat, look. Wait. That's not the right way. Okay. I might know what's happening here. Oh. This isn't usually how you'd organize. Oh my days. Anyway, this usually you'd go 8. Go 8. Which oh, what the fuck's wrong with my... Oh. Okay, it worked. Chat. You don't need to consult the reference. Chat. Oh, okay. Chat. I fixed the chat. Lagging out. Fine. I fixed the chat. Oh, what the fuck's wrong with my VR? I'm lagging. Oh, shit, I feel dizzy now. One second. What the fuck happened? What did... Roll a d20 and roll a nat 1 or something? What the fuck? on? Oh my god, I got this, I got this. Now, I'll read it. Now if I set another test to, and even within the 64-bit, yeah, that's fine. Now, huh? But what's wrong with my VR headset? Is my audio corrupted, chat? I need to know. Oh, this. I got a lagging out VR headset. I'm going off Wi-Fi. Oh, guys, hang on. Equipment issues. Who need? We got plenty of equipment issues where we're going. Okay. Okay, well, this is just. What the fuck? Anyways, bad thing. Still lagging out, but anyways, bad thing. How do I? We have RSI plus ECX. How about we can do RSI minus EX and up here do RSI not CX. We got this, chat. Fuck me. Oh, for fuck's sake. Pop. Try that. Fuck. Try that. The fuck? Chat, it's a little bit off. Oh my day. What the fuck? Actually, what the fuck's wrong with my computer? Is my audio? I don't know if my audio's all fucked up. Someone message me if it is. Is that the right number? Okay, chat, we figured out the numbers though. It works very inefficiently, but it works, and that's good enough for me. What now? Okay, that's good. Okay. My VR's less laggy now. I don't know what's going on. I feel really dizzy now. Oh my god. Okay, we got this. We will stream for 4 hours today. I don't care what it takes. Now, so currently we got integers to load. I'm not gonna bother with floats for now because I cannot be fucked. Kindly cannot be fucked. Look, if you wanna float that badly, just simulate it with 2 UN32s, thank you. Not my problem. No. I will not be leaving, chat. I will stay. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, actually I'm VR's working fine. What was I doing? Oh yeah, shit. Okay, so not queso, my god, chat. What do I do now? Here's the thing I gotta add. For this skip white space dot skip start, but so when we skip the starting zeros, we need a -1 to byte 0 0, and if it's not equal to skips. Yeah, so we're going to do RSI decrement RSI. No, I just have to have a skip dot skip How useful. Now compare RSI byte 0 jne dot skip. Then otherwise we increment RSI. Check if RSI is 0. And if it is, we increment until it is no longer a 0. Now, so yeah, this says 8. Let's put 0.8 at the start, see if it works. Still works. Too good. Yeah, so now it actually works properly. So, what now? I could start with code generation because I haven't talked about it much, but let's get out of here. Oh my god. Let me just switch my keyboard. One sec, chat, one sec. So, what we're gonna do for code generation so far is I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna have, obviously, so far we're doing the Alexa. Basically the parser. Let's call it the parser for simplicity. That's not a P. A parser. I want to see you write better on a fucking mouse. Anyways, so we got the parser, and currently we have all the data. Okay, we have all the functions, all the variables. You know what I mean? But now, I didn't know. Anyways, we have all the functions, we have all the variables. But now, we need to move all these over here into basically code. But what I want to do is I want to turn this into NASM. ASM, or assembly. Okay, I want to turn all these into NASM assembly. How am I gonna do it? Well, I have a basic outline that I did in my notebook earlier today, but very basic idea is, okay, super duper basic, is that we're going to use the RBP to store the starting RSP pointer, and we're going to use the stack to store inherited stuff, and everything will technically be a int 64 because that's just how computers work with the stack. So technically, you can also say everything on a computer is an integer. We gotta start off with that. All computers, every single thing on a computer is an integer. I don't care. A float is an integer. A bowl is an integer. A char is an integer. And technically a string is an integer because it's a pointer to an array of chars, which is kind of funny. Okay. Do you like my wonderful compilation code? So, the reason we have the libc is because we're only allowed to use the malloc and free from the libc library. That's it. The rest is done by syscalls. Why? Because I didn't think it was possible. I actually didn't think it was possible until I looked it up. It is technically possible, cannot be fucked. So for now, we'll just use malloc. But what the fuck was... I swear I just saw something, but I'm in VR. I can't see shit that is in real life, because I'm in fucking VR. Anyways. We gotta think here using the little brain thinker thingy. What? Oh, I can't think. Anyways. So, yeah, so we got the int. We'll do the string parsing. And then we'll see if we can get some basic code generation stuff done. Although I don't know if we'll get much of it done, okay? Yeah, so we'll get string parsing. Pop RSI return. Now. So, we'll go up here, scroll up. As a debug passing int, we'll have a debug passing debug passing string now. What do you meant? Oh. Anyways, we'll have another push RSI, pop RSI, and we'll make sure to print out this to the screen. Debug passing str call print null terminated string. Now if I go down here, I go to this one will be the s string parser. Now what the fuck? Let me have a look here. So we got passing int string parser. What's mad about? I don't know what the fuck this is mad about. If I just like yeah, I broke my editor, guys. Anyways, moving on from breaking the editor real quick. Why the fuck is it not printing debug passing? String chat, I'm confused. String parser, string str test. I think I broke it, and I know what's wrong. I maybe I'm actually not wrong. Where the fuck? Yeah, pass globals. It should be above it. We're dividing here. We'll just push bx pop bx mov bx 4 multiply. Oh my god. Bx. Okay, try that. What do you mean segmentation fault? What do you mean segmentation fault? Segmentation fault. Oh my arsehole. Oh. Push. MOV RAX I. Try that. We'll see if this works. Why is it not working? Why? Is it not working? Why? I'm gonna go crazy, chat. Let's think of some possibilities for why it might not be working, okay? I mean, realistically, it should work, shouldn't it? I mean, what the fuck's wrong? Do we use... No, we don't really use anything else for that. I don't know. We'll figure this out in 5 seconds. Why? Wait, what the fuck? Chat. Does anyone in chat know what's up here? So wait, remove. For one, why are we doing it like this? Why not at this rate? Just do RCX. Increment RCX. Don't even care about that at this point. Then we'll do RCX. Then we can add RCX. How about that? I mean, a segmentation fault. It's not 4. It's 8. We need to add 8, not 4. My bad. Hold up. I can fix that. No, we're going back to the old system. Subtract RSI by the known code types. Okay, try that. Try this one. What do you mean out of memory? I obviously tried to ask for a ridiculous amount of memory. Subtract RSI. We make sure that we actually input RSI here. Finally! Why was that so hard? Anyways, now we can actually get to the main part, otherwise known as pain. Okay, so first things... Where the fuck am I? Okay, so first things first, we're gonna have to get the size of the string. Oh, I like that for a second. So we'll get number letters. We have to get number. You have to get number letters. So first things first. Well, what the fuck's going on? Anyways, so first things first, we'll get start point. But increments RSI, compare RSI by not equal to dot get start point for RSI minus 1 is equal to that. So then we are actually in the next letter, so then we can go to the here we can XOR RCF dot get end point RSI compare RSI minus 1 byte BYTE. What is wrong with me today? Don't get endpoint. I might actually just go crazy. I might just be going crazy. Okay, so we'll increment RCX. We need to make sure we decrement RCX after. Yeah, I think that should work actually. So now RCX is the number letters. That's it. So after all that, we MOV RX RCX and RCX, and then we return, and then we make sure to push RSI. Put PUSH RCX. You know, chat, I'm just losing it, like, straight up lost it. RCX pop. RSI. Okay, there we go. We should be able to get the number of letters. Get number letters. Then we'll push RSI, pop RSI. Then we can do call convert into string MOV RSI RAX call prevents no terminated string, and maybe it will tell us the number of letters the string is. 11 is 11 right? Yep, 11 is right. Okay, we're on the right track. So far, we're just not gonna support \n yet, because I said so. But so we know there's 11 letters. We need to allocate for 12. Oh, what the fuck? I just lagged out for a second, and that felt like shit. Anyways, we can remove that. We can increment Rx. Then we're gonna need to, we'll push RDI, pop RDI. We're gonna need to MOV RDI, RAX, call malloc. We're gonna need to, so we're gonna need to compare RX0, JE, out of memory error. Okay, so if we do that, because so far it's allocating error for it, does it work? It does, okay, that's fine. Now we need to actually copy the string in, which should be easy-ish. All we need to do is we have a SI, and we'll just do we just need to get we just need to get the start point, okay? Up. We don't. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. So we get the start point. Dot get start point 2. I know it's inefficient, but we're not going for efficiency here. We're going for. I'm lagging so bad. You see the stream still up. Okay, we're fine. Anyways, what's that saying? Oh, okay, yeah. So we need to check. We need to. I know it's inefficient, chat, but I don't give a shit. Okay. I just couldn't care less. Anyways, so we got RDI, RDI, IX. So currently we are mallocing the area. Then we're getting the start point and the number of letters, and I'm gonna move the number of letters because so far we had them in RDI. Also, keep a copy of the number of letters. We can push RX. We can down here we can pop into RCX, and then so RCX should probably contain. Yes, RCX should contain the number of letters. So do the main copy loop. Now before that, literally just before that, we can do MOV RX plus RCX byte 0. We need to make sure that is 0 because if it's not, it's technically not a string. According to LEC conventions. Then, what are you mad about? Oh, because it thinks I'm in fucking 16-bit mode still. Because of course, why would you make it a fucking average real mode still? Anyways. I need to lock in. Increment. Decrement. Decrement RCX. Jump if not 0. Dot main copy loop. We need to MOV DL RSI plus RCX, MOV RAX plus RCX DL. This we need to decrement RCX for. So did we get a segfault? Fuck. Why are we getting a segfault? How about this for RDI? If I increment RDI, does that work? What? Decrement 0. What? What? Chat! I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so for one, is it this? Okay. Is it this part here? Okay. So, I think we're corrupting... Wait. You're not pushing RCX before the malloc. That's probably some good advice. Shit, shit. I forgot. No, wait, what? I am popping RCX, after the malloc. It's actually originally an RAX. But I'll just push and pop everything around the malloc because that sounds easier. Because I don't actually remember what malloc touches. Do you remember malloc touches? Push. We don't need to do RX. We need to do RSI. We'll make sure it's not touching RSI. And then, so when we do our DI, we need to pop RSI. Try that. Fuck. Okay, what's it touching then? I'm saving RCX. And also, it's crashing here in this function. But I'm saving... Okay, wait. RSI must be getting corrupted here. Okay, first thing should be the last. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, am I sure it's getting... Here's how we check. Yeah, it's getting... What? I screamed that so loud, but what? Hold up. That makes no sense. I'm literally copying. I'm pushing it to the stack. What do you mean? What? I'm pushing it right there. What? Huh? What? Okay, so get number letters. Yep. So chat, but that doesn't make any sense because I pop right here, and I push RAX, which contains what's needed. I don't get it. They're the same size. What? Okay, so RSI. Push. Okay. Wait. Yep. Push RDI. Pop RDI. What? Chat, I'm confused. What's wrong with this code? Why is RSI getting corrupted? What if just all the way up here I push RSI again? Then after all this, we also pop RSI again. Try that. Bro, JMP $. Try that. Okay. Galaxy Brain idea. Bro, chat. Chat, we're so... Chat. Bro, it's just that this was missing a 2. You fucking... I bet it's gonna work perfectly now. Chat. I'm actually gonna go crazy. Oh, I bet you don't even need this now. Chat. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill someone. My god. Anyways, now that we figured out the dumbest issue known to mankind, let's go print it to the screen. Print, not terminate. Oh, try that. What do you think's gonna happen? Fuck. Okay, though. It is one letter off. That is really easy to fix. Try. I'll never believe my fix. Fixed. Yeah! Finally! We got strings! How long did that take us? My god. Okay, well, trying to decide, should we start on code generation, or should we try to tackle floats first? What do you think we should do? Yeah, chat, what do you think we should do? Should we tackle... Yeah, okay, tackle code generation. So that means, yeah, I think we've got most shit done. So let me make, yeah, so in this, let me make another file. So dot example pull out dot ASM. So I want the compiler, yeah, they are. So I want the compiler to essentially, output another ASM file. I know it might sound a little crazy, but it is very useful. So yeah, so I wanted to do section. It's this, right? Is it dot section or is it section? I forgot. But it's just section, yeah, okay. Example. So then it will do, the fuck's here? Yeah, I'm just gonna make an example, so we'll just do str tet, but oh my god, I'm bad. I got this, guys. Test. I got this, guys. db hello world. Now, for now, we won't tackle. For now, we won't actually tackle the print function, but we'll tackle it. It will actually do the main function. So, for one, so there'll be the if I go section dot text. So there'll be the underscore start. Now the compiler is just literally gonna auto generate for this because it's gonna be main here. It's just gonna go call main mov rx60. That's not 60, it's both 60. And then we set RDI. Yeah, okay, so RDI. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. That's fine. We're not in 16-bit mode. I'm gonna have to tell it up here. Bit 60, bro, 64. See? So now, chat, can you see? So this, we need to auto-generate this. This is gonna be really easy to auto-generate. It's literally just, that's gonna be the default. Now the main is gonna be a bit harder. So obviously, if say I'm gonna put in comments where this code will actually be in the language, but say that main all it does is return 0. Okay, so if I just do like int str args. And then if I just go return 0. So I do something like that, okay? I want that to be this. So for one, first things first, we're gonna push RBP. Then we're gonna do MOV RBP ESP, and then at the end we're gonna do MOV ESP RBP pop RBP, and then we'll return. But then in the middle of this, we push 0, which is what we're returning. We then MOV RAX. Then we'll do RBP plus 8. And now we'll do RBP because that's easier for us to handle. So it should be RBP plus 8, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that should be right. And then, so, I think this is what we're going for. This should compile, right? I think that's fine, right? Chat, what do you think? So, this turns into this in assembly, basically. I probably should test that compiles, huh? Should I test if this compiles, not chat? Nasm example out .asm dash f elf 64 should be dash o temp dot o. Oh, bro, I can't see my keyboard. Dash. There we go. Okay, yeah, compiles. We're good. Attempt to. By the way, if anyone's wondering what's in that C file, bro, I lost my hands. Delete. If anyone's wondering what's in that C file, I'll show you right now. It was just me getting the offsets for the fstat for reading the file from memory, because I was struggling with that on the first one, and then I looked it up, had to do it properly, and then I figured it out. So we're good. But that's all that's there. Most thing really to do, other than, well, we just confirm that works. But now we got to figure out a way to automate that. So for one, we got to look for the main function, and then obviously this missing return. Not 9 0. Okay. So far, the only valid function we're gonna have will be 0. Or will be return, okay? So, like, the only valid thing we can do. So, we'll move print. So, we just need that to work. So, that's gonna be a pain. I'll make a code generation.asm. Okay? Now, first things first, we're going to make a how are we gonna make this work? How do we automate this? Okay, so we'll have an example. Wait, we'll have what we add to each function. I didn't think far enough to figure out, like, how do I... Okay, so we have all the data in the file, but then how do I turn all the data in the file to something that's actually useful? I didn't think that far. So, for one, I'm going to turn this 0. By default, I'm going to turn it into a variable in memory. Well, it's a local variable, it's an inherited variable, it's in the stack. Which is why we use the EBP when we're in the stack, because it makes this job easier. So to generate code, we'll make a generate main function. Make this for now. I'm gonna make sure I need to include it in the main file. Percent include code gem. Don't worry about my spelling. It's almost 2am. Generation. Die. Bro. Man. If I told chat that I've wrote an entire operating system in assembly before, would you believe me or not? Would you believe me? I have a sneaking suspicion you won't. Would you believe me, chat? I need to add a... I don't think chat believes me. RSI new line call print null terminated string. There we go. And then in the code generation stage, when I tell it to generate the main function, what the fuck do I do again? One sec, chat. I forgot what I was doing. Okay, so I need to somehow generate this. So the start function, that's relatively easy. That will just be built in. But the main function, obviously, the output can change. If it's 1, we're going to output 1. So it's a bit more complex to do with no code in it. But still, we're going to have to allow it to do multiple bits of code later. So, for one, if I go to the main function, well, after we pass all the globals, we can do a how about no, generate main function. Okay. Then what we can do is here. Okay, so here. How are we gonna do this? So, for one, let's start with the first thing every single function will do in the language, which if I look at the fucking example that I made, there it is. If I look at the example that I made, it is push RBP, set RBP to RSP, and then we push, okay, so we can do that. So we'll have the, we'll have a start and end code to each function. We can have that in main. So we'll have scroll down. We'll have each function both start db. Okay, let's have here. So what we're gonna need is we're gonna need push EBP. So let's do A. No, EBP, RBP. MOV, RBP, RSP. That's it, and then we'll put 0. Then there'll be each function and db. So at the end of each function, we MOV RBP, no, RSP, RBP, 0 return. Oh no, we before that we gotta pop POP RBP. Okay, does this make any sense, chat? Does this make any sense, chat? So every function will start and end the same, so I'm gonna literally store that in memory so I can go write that. Let me one sec. Private window. I need Linux. Bro, I have this somewhere. Linux syscall. Okay, we need this syscall table mainly because I need to find the documentation for read. And then I need to find the documentation for open. One sec, chat, we'll figure this out. Name flags mode. Okay. So all we need to do is what goes into the file description, the flags, so it's included read only. In addition to more creation flags, false creation flags. Okay, so in append mode, before we try the file. Okay, yeah, so this is what I'm looking for. Append. What is append? Does it say a file it comes from? We'll check this file here. Bro. Let's try this. Where's append? Here, append. I think I found append. So I need to open a new file and append that to the file. Does that make any sense? Well, actually, before that, but my brain doesn't work. My brain is a braining chat. Why is it so hard to focus on this? Maybe because it's 2 a.m. No, chat, what I'm thinking is we need to create it, obviously, but then we need to add to it, because when we're still making it, we don't know how big it's going to be in memory unless I build a custom append to string function. Do you know what I mean? So I can either append using the file system or build an append to string function, which will complicate things quickly. What do you think, chat? I don't know. Well, let's also say not. I think you need. Okay. Do I need both or do I? Fuck me. Let me read the documentation again. Append. Exit. Create. Like. I don't think they create appends by default. Ow, fuck. Wrong button. That's the wrong button. Anyways. So what I might do is I might build a append string system in assembly to then do this later, because that sounds easier. So I'll just create a output file append. Now the output file, we're gonna yes, we'll have the up here we'll have the yeah, okay, we'll have the out file pt bro ptr for pointer. The out no, this just needs to be a dq0, and then the number chars dq0. Okay, chat, we might actually be getting somewhere, maybe, hopefully. So currently I need to check if it's 0. Compare the out file ptr to, we need to check if it's 0. I'll just XOR RAX and RX, because I don't actually think you can do compares directly with 0 properly yet. And if it is 0, I'll need to have a function. Actually, wait, I have an idea. Okay, so what we can do is, obviously we can just do increment keyword number chars. Okay. No, wait, we can't do increment keyword number chars because we're adding strings. Because this doesn't take a chart. This takes a string inside of ESI, RSI, no ESI, wrong. I'm still chat. I am still getting used to programming for Linux, okay? Because before this, I was working on my own operating system that was significantly worse and didn't work. No, it did work. It was just the drivers were having some issues. Actually, they kind of worked fine. It was kind of my custom file format that broke. But let's not get into that, because otherwise, if we get into that, we'll be here all week. Oh, wait. I am here all week. Fuck. My god. What time is it? 2 a.m. Average me moment. My god, what time is it? It's 2 a.m. Okay, this stream, I'll stream for another about 30 minutes, then I'll go to sleep, because I'm tired, but we'll get to 4 hours eventually. So, let's have a look here. So, okay, so what we're going to have to do here is, instead of just incrementing it, for now, yeah, so we'll have to, but I'm still going to be here for another 30 minutes, like, my god. Charity wants to get rid of me. Oh my god. I don't know why. My body, the second I said sleep, my body's like, oh my god, oh, you should go to sleep right now. It's like, no, I'm locking in. We need to get fuck. Yeah, so the string, we need to get the, bro, get, string. One sec. Bro, one sec, I got this. You know, I could have just, like, repositioned my fingers on the keyboard, but instead, I do a much more complicated thing of kind of just guessing until I find out where my fucking hands are. See, the most average me moment. I need a by 0. Bro, J, N, E, N, J, bro, my fucking god. Dot, get, string size. Oh my god. Bro, increment, RSI, okay, then literally the next step would be up here, XOR, RCX, and we'll increment RCX, and we'll decrement RCX. Okay, now, oh yeah, now we got the string size. We've got to allocate that on top, so we can just add, nah, bro, N, no, bro, bro, M, number chars, RCX. I don't know why this is so hard to do. I'm gonna go crazy, chat. To be fair, I am programming in assembly. You think I'm sane while programming in assembly, chat? Who's sane and programs in assembly? Raise your hand. Okay, we're gonna need a MOV, RDI. No, but not num chars. Call Malik. Compare RAX 0. If RAX is 0, we run it out of memory error. And then we jump dollars. I know we I was gonna debug it, but I realized there's not even a function to fucking debug. We're gonna debug like how well it wastes on system memory. Like, come on, we got better things to do here. If we think really hard here, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, chat, but I'll guess that we need to get the old number of chars so we can save that. We'll push. But push. Number chars. Will this even let me compile it? Jump dollar sign. Try that. Yeah, it's fine. See? Now, what else do I need this to do? Okay, so we go here. We get our AX. We pop our CX dot. Copy loop. Come on, chat. We gotta lock in. Lock in for the last 30 minutes of the stream. Yeah. We got this, chat. All I need to do is need to get the copy loop to oh my god. We need to set. We'll set RDI. But MOVRDI. Oh my fucking god, chat. I'm gonna go insane. This should be the file, but the out. But the out file PTR. Come, but why is my stomach going off right now? This is not the time, stomach. MOV RDI. But why? I'm just suddenly starving, apparently, chat. What the fuck? I've lost it, chat. Okay, this has been streaming for like 2 hours 40. Okay, let me yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm tired, but thanks for joining in Twitch chat and YouTube chat. Well, I don't know what you want me to say. I guess so. See you preferably tomorrow. Bye. Right. But bye, chat. I see you probably tomorrow. If not, I don't know, on the weekend or something. I don't fucking know. Well, you can't tell me what to do, chat. Nah, I'll probably go sleep nowish. Well, bye, chat.